Hey, salon owners, struggling to pick the best scheduling software for 2025? Today we're comparing Vagaro and Fresha to help you decide. Let's dive in. First, Vagaro overview. Vagaro is an all-in-one salon management tool. It handles scheduling, payments, client tracking, and inventory. Its calendar is easy to use with drag and drop features and color coding. You can sync appointments, send reminders, and even build a custom website or app. Vagaro also has a marketplace to attract new clients. Pricing starts at $30 a month for one user, plus $10 per extra staff with no commission fees. Next, Fresha overview. Fresha is simple and sleek, perfect for small to medium salons. It offers free basic scheduling, payment processing, and client management. Its marketplace helps you get new clients, but there is a 20% commission on their first visit. For advanced features like marketing or analytics, the Plus plan costs $9.95 per staff monthly. Fresha's interface is super user-friendly and works great on phones. Comparison. So which is better? Vagaro is packed with features like inventory and payroll, making it awesome for bigger salons or those wanting to scale. It's got more customization, like branded apps, and no marketplace fees, but it can feel complex and has a learning curve. Fresha shines for solo stylists or small teams who want free, simple tools and don't mind paying for extras. Its marketplace is great for new client growth, but those commissions add up. Who wins? Pick Vagaro if you run a large salon or need tons of features without commission fees. Choose Fresha if you're a solo stylist or small business on a budget, prioritizing ease and new clients. Both are solid, so it depends on your needs. That's it. Try them out and let us know what works for you. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.